scary face. That's not scary. That's pretty. Stop smiling. Show me your scary face. That's not scary. That's so pretty. You're a pretty girl. Is that your scary face? What are you doing?
She's gonna bite.
She's better not. I'm gonna call the monsters.
No.
I'm gonna call them on the phone right now.
No.
Tell me, say "Te amo, mommy." Say "Te amo, mommy."
Mommy.
Love you, baby. Love you too, baby. Love you too, mamas. Get off me. Hey, you got my toes next? What's up?
Ew. Do that to Raven.
No. She might hit me. I know you won't hurt me. She might hit me. Hey. That's cute. You're so cute. Go away. Hey, I'm gonna call monsters.
No.
Yep.
No.
Yes.
I'll call the police on you.
Got it.
Got her.